Install brackets at the desired height using the provided hardware. Ensure they are level and securely attached. Install preferred backer board to manufacturer specifications. Place the first board on top of the brackets and draw an outline for the board to be cut and notched. With the removal of the first board from the brackets, apply a bead of GoBoard Pro sealant to the brackets. Using the outline previously traced, notch out a 1-inch deep segment of foam from the first board, and fit the brackets into the notches. With the first board now placed on the brackets, apply a bead of GoBoard Pro sealant throughout the top of the first board. Attach the second board to the first board, apply a layer of thin set and wrap the exposed sides and brackets with the provided tape. Apply thin set, and your choice of finished product. The original floating shower bench kit. An original granite bracket product.